Welcome back to Cobrith Mini Projects. Today we're out at a friend's house and she reported that her fence had blown over in one of the big storms. So this piece of fence just fell and hit this swing. And looking at it, it looks like it just pulled, you can see here, it looks like it just pulled the screws right out of this connection. You can see these right here. And then this post is still good. We've got to attach there, but then one of my concerns is over here. Looks like this post just broke off right at ground level. So I came out here earlier this week and looked at it, and I believe it's just rot. And most of the time with these solid columns, they rot in the top 6 inches of soil. So I'm going to dig down. I brought a shovel. I'm going to dig down. I'm going to sister a couple 2x4s to the side of this, lag them in, and I think that'll give us all the strength we need. It's more of just a little privacy corner than a fence, so this will be plenty strong when we're done. I feel like I'm kicking something down here. What is that? And I'm not going to be afraid to dig back a little bit because I'm going to have to eventually get my screw gun in here to screw into this post. But pulling this post out would have done me no good unless I can get the whole post out of the ground. So I didn't bring a full 4x4.
Oh, mosquitoes there. Oh, she caught us. How are you?
You guys just don't quit, do you? When did you get here?
We just got here.
It was right after that, a few days.
You can see this is
Did you see I got my nest?
pretty solid wood. It's rotted a little bit, but not bad. Not too bad at all. I think we can attach to that nice and low and come up with it.
I had
That'll brace it nicely.
like this high. I've been burning forever.
Okay. We won't be too long.
Thank you. How much were these,
This heat, that was just left over from a job.
praise the Lord?
And it's treated so it won't rot. Looking good.
Yeah, that's better. Now remember, this isn't buried yet. Can I get another piece of wood there, Dad? Another 2x4? I'm just doubling this board up now just to stiffen it some. Okay, now that we got that post reinforced, we're going to backfill this thing. Alright, now we're just going to put some screws in the face of this to tie it to the existing post again. Now I'll just take my sledgehammer. I filled in some dirt. I'll pack it down. And then we'll put some more dirt in here. A little tight. A little tight. One nice thing about this is we're able to use all the materials we had just laying around the house, so it really doesn't cost anything. How's that feel there, Dad? Yeah? Okay. Good deal.
Fire, Dad.
Oops. That look okay? All right. Finished up. Well, that's a short project. Probably took us longer to drive here than it did to do the job, but thanks for watching. Remember to hit those like... Sorry, crap. That was in my mouth. I think it's a mosquito. All right.
I'm putting this in there.
Remember to like, subscribe, and hit those notifications. We'll see you at the next project.